So when I was first shooting this, I'm using Sakaya. When I was first shooting this, I found that I don't know if I deleted the footage accidentally, because I went through and I deleted a bunch of footage after the fact. So I think that I deleted like these first few steps. That's why I'm wearing like a different color shirt. So seeing as this morning I'm going to be wearing a look which has these first few steps anyway, I'm reshooting that this morning, but after those first 3 steps I'll be back to wearing a black shirt. So I'm just putting that colour in the crease and blending it upward. I'm going to use a blending brush just to make everything a little bit more smooth. I've already primed my eyes using some concealer. And then in my Oh So Special palette, I'm going to be using these 2 shades together. Just using a blending brush. I'm going in on the crease, just to give it a little bit of depth. I'm going to go back with this blending brush with a little bit of that orangey colour again, just so I can blend out the edges. Yes. See, now it looks better blended between that greyish colour and that orange. Now I'm going to take this brush, it's a crease brush, and I'm going to go into this black, go on the outer and the inner. And this bit can get a little bit messy, so I'm kind of just pushing it and dotting it, but I'm leaving that space there. But I'm also going to just drag a little bit over, and then I'm going to start blowing it out. Yeah, I'm just kind of swiping it over a little bit, and then I'm going to use this brush which has the orange on it and just go over it a little bit so that it's not getting too messy. Now we're going to be carving out some stuff and some stuff, so don't be too worried about it if it looks messy, because we can go back and fix things using like wet wipes and stuff. One of my favorite things to do. Now using my NARS number 7 concealer brush and my Lancome concealer, I'm going to go in with this one here. Oh my gosh, it's so like melted and stuff. Okay, and I'm going to just do that. Let's make a little swipe and then look up, and you see where it has transferred. That's where I'm doing my cut crease too. Okay, now I'm going to set it, so just bear with me. So using just a little bit of banana powder, I'm setting that concealer. I think I've gone over the line where it is, so I'll just fix that using a black eyeshadow. Now using the shade Nubia, I'm going in on a flat brush, or in with a flat brush. And as I'm looking at this palette, I just saw the perfect shade to have set this with, but never mind. Anyway, I'm gonna just spray a couple of spritzes, and then I'm gonna go over that area. Oh Lord, that is so beautiful. Now back in with that black, so on the corner especially. Okay, so I like how this has turned out. I'm gonna go do the other eye, clean it up. Oh, I like this. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that this has turned out. This black and gold, little something something. Been thinking about doing this all day, and I'm so glad I actually did it. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'll be doing it on a daily basis, but I definitely wanted to create it, and I'm just so happy with the way that it turned out. So what I ended up doing afterward, I did the other eye, I did my foundation, contour, lips, and then I smoked out the bottom lash line, first by using the black, and then by going over it and smudging over it using that orangey colour that I used in as my transition colour. So I hope that you like this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.